Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable the delete confirmation dialog on Windows 10. This is a helpful feature that ensures you never accidentally delete important files. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to activate this setting to improve your file management safety. First, locate the recycle bin icon on your Windows 10 desktop. Once you find it, right-click on the icon to open a context menu with several options. Next, from the context menu, select Properties. This will open a new window that allows you to adjust the settings for the recycle bin. Then, look for the option labeled Display Delete Confirmation Dialog. Click the checkbox next to this option to enable it. This ensures that every time you try to delete a file, Windows will ask for confirmation before permanently removing it. After checking the box, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the Properties window. Your delete confirmation setting is now activated, and you can be confident that you will have an extra safeguard against accidental deletions. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.